Homemade skin brightening mask. 1. Turmeric and lemon juice. Turmeric is known to beautify and give a fairer look to your skin. This has been used by women all over the world and for many years. I have personally found lemon juice extremely good in removing the tan from my skin. How to use. Take a spoonful of turmeric and add some drops of lemon juice to it. Make a paste and apply it all over your face. Let it dry and then rinse your face with water. Homemade skin brightening mask. 2. Rice water. A majority of us cook rice everyday basis, so we all have freshly prepared rice water at our home daily. But we discard that water. Have you ever thought that it can be used on your face as well? Well, that's true. Rice water has exceptionally good pore tightening properties. Rice water contains antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin C. It is also known to remove blemishes, acne spots, and black marks from your skin. How to use. Let the rice water.
Add 4 tablespoons of mehendi. Add 4 tablespoons of beetroot powder. 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Add to cloves. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix all ingredients well. Rest them for 15 to 20 minutes. Then apply rinse off after 2 to 4 hours. This mask makes your hair thick, long, and your hair looks shiny. With this mask you get attractive hair color. You won't believe it's homemade and chemical free. If you feel my videos are helpful, then please support me guys.